Scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests.
Confidence intervals reveal plausible population means quickly. Let us break down this statistics problem in 3 simple steps to find the correct answer with total ease. A 95% confidence interval provides a range of plausible values for the population mean. If a value falls within this interval, it is considered a plausible candidate for mean. In hypothesis testing, if the null value is inside our confidence interval, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. This means we lack evidence to claim the mean is different. Options A and C incorrectly claim the mean is a specific value. Option D is irrelevant to the null value. Option B correctly identifies that we cannot reject the null hypothesis. Smart move! Scan the code you can learn better with SOVI. Avoid skipping point estimates and always verify the null hypothesis using sound statistical logic today.